Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As I told you earlier on, I am on my way to a Cars and Coffee meet, Carsaudio. I did get a car wash yesterday, but I don't have time now to get another rundown. But I heard about this product from Maguire's, which is the waterless wash and wax. Essentially, you don't need to rewash it, you just literally spray on and wipe off. So we're gonna give this a go. I know there's a lot of detailers out there who might see this and be like, you're probably gonna scratch your car, but yeah, I probably will, but you know, tough times, eh? Yeah, let me just get spraying and I'll let you guys know what the finished result is like and if it's worth it. Here in location filming, the boys here rolling in his C-Class Sears gear. Oh shit, man. Yeah, that's cool.
How long did it take us to get there? 40 minutes?
Yeah, it should be alright. We'll take the motorway.
Yeah.
And then just do some rolling shot if you can. What's up guys, just got here to the car meet. As you can see, road shut down. Just been here with the boys doing rolling shots. Sick for that, man. Can't wait for the finished product. Yeah, so just here with this purple M4. Reminds me of Lakers colors. Yeah, some really nice cars out here. So as I arrived late, so my car is literally just there, you see, but I'll take this spot when he leaves. So got a nice 530i here, 318 Chevy, yeah, the list goes on and on. It's got a E46 M3, very nice. Oh, it's everywhere, man, base everywhere. Hey, this is Cars and Coffee. You guys want some coffee? I'll get coffee, man. Give me a shout. Pops and bangs everywhere. Ooh, bass. Surrounded here by nice cars, as you can see. Yeah, this place is absolutely packed, but it's a nice day for it, so why not, right? I don't even know what to look at right now, like all these nice cars. 7 Series. Ooh, this is clean. Wow. What do you guys think? Very nice. Oh, we got a very nice E92 here. Legendary V8 engine. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. Classic car right here. Wow, that's setting off a lot of alarms. VW boys here. Go cars. These are the rims that I want. It's like E88s. I think it will suit the M2 really well. More alloys here. Speaking of M2, hey, what's up, boy? There you go. Nice. You see scratches though. Damn. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Movie will come out, shot by Sonny and his brother. I really appreciate that. They did a good job from all the shots that we've done, so I'm excited. Can't wait for that to be released. But for this vlog using my DJI, I'm gonna end the video there. So once again, thank you guys for watching. As always, please like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Have a nice day.